so that we can get our scales in line in the different minor keys. So now I'm on page 62. Page 62 in the workbook, you see the minor key signatures, and they are structured, they are placed on the staff the same way the major key signatures. It's just now the letters are different. We have different, the key with one sharp is no longer G, it's E. The key with two sharps is no longer D, it's B. So in the minor keys, everything is kind of shifted, but let me show you how it's shifted. If I can bring up that circle of fifths. Here's the circle of fifths in major. Here's our familiar circle of fifths with C at the top, no sharps, no flats, all the way. I don't have all of them here, but I don't have the C flat or the C sharp. Just bear with me. But anyway, you recognize the one flat is F, one sharp is G, and we have this progression. Now from here to here, we have fat cats go down, Allie's eating bananas. On the, if I can get this moved, yeah. On the left, we got, if I can get the C out here, we've got the letters, B-E-A-D. B-E-A-D spells bead. We've got those familiar things for major. All right, so what if we took all of those letters and just shifted everything to the left? Like it was just kind of a wheel or something. We shifted everything to the left. What if, C was here. If we shifted it to the left, but just kept the pattern, it would look like this. Everything's moved one notch to the left. G used to be here, now it's there. F used to be here, now it's here. So what if we shifted everything to the left one space or one notch, one slice of the pie there? It would look like this. Okay, let's take that a step further. What if we shifted everything to the left two notches? Okay, so C used to be here, now it's shifted two. It's shifted two spaces or two slices of the pie. Remember A used to be here, now it's up here. I've shifted everything by two notches, two places, two pieces of the pie. I've shifted it two. Well, we'll take it one more step. Now I've moved everything. Now I've moved everything three notches to the left. C used to be up here, this key with no sharps, no flats. Now C has moved down here. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that. Okay, anyway, that's supposed to be an arrow. C has moved here. Everything has moved to the left. Everything has moved counterclockwise to the left 3 places. And that's how the minor circle of fifths works. In the minor keys, the key that has no sharps and no flats, it has 0, is A. A has no sharps and no flats. If you start on an A note on the piano, and I'm sorry I don't have my piano up on the keyboard today. If you start on an A and you go up all white keys, you get that sound of a natural minor scale. You get a half step between 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 4, 5, and then between 5 and 6. If you start on the E, and you go up on all white keys, you need 1 sharp. And guess which sharp it is? It's over here on the right side of the circle. It's on the notch right next to, it's in the space right next to the top. You need 1 sharp, and guess what? It would be F sharp. If you start on an E, and then you go up with all white keys, if you just put it, all you need to do is put an F sharp in, and you get a minor scale, a natural minor scale. So now these are the places for the key signatures for minor scales. So you don't have to learn an entirely new circle. You think of the major circle. C is here, G is here, F is here, B flat was here, D is here on the major circle, and everything moves 3. Everything moves 3 places. And the pattern stays the same as far as the letters. The pattern stays the same. And there's the minor circle. All right, so then, oops, let's go back to, all right, so there's no sharps, no flats, A. There's nothing there. There's no sharps, no flats. And then after A, if we were going down the right side of the circle with the major keys, A would be the third one, and then E, and then B, and then F sharp, and then C sharp. Well, now if we just put A at the top, we can go to the right and go E and B and F sharp and C sharp like we did. These guys in here are new. There's no major keys. There's no major keys with an A sharp or D sharp and G sharp, but I'll tell you how to fix that in a minute. Going to the left, D is no longer 2 sharp. It's way over there where F used to be. D minor has 1 flat. But you notice that the hopefully you're seeing that 3 flats is the same configuration when it was E flat, and 4 flats is the same as it was when it was A flat. The way you put the flats and sharps on the staff is just the same. We just have new letters. We got new letters to go with the patterns. When you're writing the key signatures and sharp keys, just like in major, 1 sharp is F, 1 sharp is F, 2 sharps is F and C, 3 sharps is F, C, and G. It's still F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Fat cats go down, I eat bananas. And for the flats, when you make key signatures for the flats, if it's 1 flat, it's B. If it's 2 flats, it's B and E. If it's 2 flats, if it's 4 flats, it's B'd. If it's 7 flats, it's B, G, C, F. It's the same order, same patterns. All right. Page 65. We were looking at this in class on Thursday. All right, so there's page 65, and we're practicing writing the key signatures. On the left side of the circle, E minor. So you look at the circle, the minor circle. Let me find the minor circle. I got it here somewhere. E is right here. Okay, so you look at that circle, and you say, okay, E is there. So E was 1 sharp. So when we write the key signature for E minor, we put 1 sharp here, just like we used to do for G major. B minor. Okay. One is a pen. Yeah, B. B has 2 sharps. In the minor world, this is how the circle looks, and B is over here where 2 sharps is. So I got to write a key signature for B minor. Unbelievable. Okay, yeah, for B minor, I'm going to put the F sharp here and the C sharp there. Looks a whole lot like D major. Going into the flats. Okay. A minor, right here, you don't do anything. A minor sits at the top now. In the minor world, A minor has no sharps, no flats. To the immediate left of A minor is D minor. It's got 1 flat. Well, when you got 1 flat, that key signature is going to be B. Just like the key of F was just B. G minor is the next one on the circle. Let's we can go back and find that circle. D has 1 flat. G has 2 flats. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. G has 2 flats. G minor, that is. G minor has 2 flats. So here's G minor. So the first flat is B, the second flat is E. Same pattern as when we were doing major keys and doing B flat major. So that is the deal. That is the deal. That's how far we progressed in the class on Thursday. The homework is on Brightspace. It is, I believe, I'm going to double check here and see if I can find it on my laptop. All right, I believe it is homework 7. Find the homework that says, find the homework that's titled Minor Key Signatures. That is the homework for Tuesday. Whether you were in class or not, you are responsible for the homework. You are responsible for the material. All those of you who did not come to class and did not attend Zoom, you are responsible for the material, both what we talked about, which I've been nice enough to put on the video for you, even though I didn't have to, and you're responsible to have the homework ready to turn in on Tuesday, the minor key signatures. I'm pretty sure it's homework number 7. All right, signing off for now. I'll see you Tuesday. Hope your weekend is good. See you later.